Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take Muscletech Testosterone Booster. First, it's crucial to always read the specific product label on your Muscletech supplement. Directions can vary slightly between different formulations. Remember, these boosters are designed for adult men, 18 years and older. Before incorporating any new supplement into your routine, always consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it's right for you. For many Muscletech testosterone boosters, a common recommendation is to take 2 capsules with a glass of water, twice daily. To optimize absorption, it's often suggested to take your doses approximately 30 minutes before your main meals, such as breakfast and dinner. It is very important not to exceed 4 capsules in any 24-hour period to avoid potential side effects and ensure safe use. To get the most out of your Muscletech testosterone booster, consistency is key. Take it daily as directed for several weeks to allow the ingredients to work effectively. Remember, supplements work best when paired with a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet rich in nutrients and a consistent exercise program. Also, ensure you stay well hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout your day. Always be aware of important warnings. For instance, if you have any scheduled surgery, you should discontinue using the booster at least 2 weeks prior. This supplement is also not intended for women, especially if pregnant or nursing. And speaking of reading, if you love diving into new worlds, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You'll find a link in the description, along with other great deals and resources to help you on your fitness journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.